Welcome to today's edition of The Good, the Bad and the Ugly, especially curated from the world of economy and business today. I'll start with the good. In 2017, India has recorded the highest volume of mergers and acquisitions in the past few years. This augurs well for an economy that is struggling to extricate itself out of a slowdown because higher M&A activity indicates greater faith in the economy and greater aspirations. 1,022 deals worth $47 billion were recorded overall in 2017. This number is higher than the 895 deals that were recorded in the previous year. Although in 2017, the total value of deals has fallen 12% from $53 billion in the previous year. Smaller value deals actually indicate greater caution in merger and acquisition activity. Telecom sector led in value among the industries with $15 billion worth of deals. As far as the volumes is concerned, it was the financial sector that had 115 deals, which were the highest. Interestingly, cross-border deals saw a 7% decline in volume and 71% decline in value. That's a reflection of a checkered performance of India's overseas acquisitions in the previous boom of 2007 and 8. However, overall M&A activity is good news for the economy. Now to the bad. Facebook has a lot to do to contain the damage caused by Cambridge Analytica data theft that has rocked the US, Europe, Africa as well as India. The world's largest social media platform, which has over 2 billion users, has a lot more explaining to do before it can contain the free fall in its stock price since this scandal broke. The stock has already eroded $46 billion in investor wealth despite the CEO Mark Zuckerberg announcing steps how Facebook is going to protect consumer data. The biggest issue is that of faith in Facebook. The question is, why is it that Facebook did not inform the consumers whose data and information had been leaked to Cambridge Analytica? Facebook says that it intends to do that now. But is that enough to win over users whose trust has already been breached? And now to the ugly. A belligerent US President Donald Trump has announced that he is going to impose import tariff on Chinese goods coming into India worth $60 billion. This has raised chances of a trade war between the US and China. The US said that it's going to announce the list of these goods in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, Vice President Mike Pence has said that the era of economic surrender is over. US has an all-time high trade deficit of $375 billion vis-a-vis China. Trump claims that 60,000 US industries have been shut and 6 million Americans have lost their jobs. China has responded by announcing $3 billion worth of import tariffs on US goods coming into the country. The prospects of an impending trade war is what makes this ugly, as stocks around the world have already slid up to 2.5%. If you enjoyed watching this content, please like us on our Facebook page. Our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/businesstoday. Follow Business Today on Twitter India at @BT_India and subscribe to our YouTube channel Business Today India.